origins of language curriculum development. That's the topic we're going to discuss. And within this topic, we've got a subtopic, which is historical background to the development of language curriculum. And under this topic, we're going to see how language curriculum development came to its different phases, underwent into different phases, and what it's now like. And language curriculum development, LCD, I would like to use its short form from now onwards, is very much integral to the notion of syllabus design. I mean, syllabus, as we have already discussed this in the definitions section, like the syllabus design is one of the subsidiary components of language curriculum. So we're going to see how, what were the historical movements that led to the language curriculum design. Right. As we have already seen, like syllabus design, SD, specifies what to be taught in the classroom. I mean, the content of language teaching, and in which order, and what not to teach, and how to evaluate whether to employ formative or summative assessments. So there are some of the salient features of syllabus design. Okay. So actually, language curriculum design started from the notion of syllabus design, right? So on the other hand, language curriculum design entails a much more comprehensive view of language teaching. I mean, it entails the element of needs analysis. What are the needs of language learners? And it also entails the element of syllabuses, like what type of syllabuses are suitable for language learners, and what the structure, the question of structure, in which order, and the principles of language teaching, and the methods, which methods actually suits to the needs of learners, and what type of evaluation could be used. So that's basically a comparison between syllabus design and language curriculum design. So both are very much interconnected, but it was the syllabus design notion which led to the development of language curriculum principles, which is the main focus of this course, right? And one question really intrigues us. You might be wondering why we are studying this historical context. Why not to start from needs analysis, which is covered in most of the key books on language curriculum design? Well, the answer could be like, it's very much important to have a sense of history. I mean, the curriculum which we know now, like, was influenced by its some of the historical events, right? So it's important to have a sense of history, what went and which went into different phases of syllabus design, okay? And how earlier, approaches to syllabus design shaped language curriculum principles. So actually, some of the earlier approaches to syllabus design laid the foundations for language curriculum development, right? So, the journey, the story of language curriculum design has seen many ups and downs, and one of the key features was the method debates. Which method actually suits to the learners, whether it's a grammar translation or direct method. So actually, methods were the use of appropriate method in the classroom was the key question which led to syllabus design, and syllabus design led to the principles of language curriculum. Okay, and the researchers were looking for a set of systematic principles which could be used for better language teaching, and this quest for best methods led to the notion of syllabus design, and then eventually it led to the principles of curriculum development.